Chief, where you go on with Star?
Where go on, Rooster?
Why, where you doing that, the loud present, the dog?
That's my mother, man.
Is
Mother
it?
one.
Yeah? Why, I like how that the present, they look like you're wealthy, boy. That's sitting for me, man.
Rooster, you know, explain how we are right or not. You never have nothing to give me sense. Anytime you have it, me game, man. I want you, man.
Alright, my Gina, say alright, but the present, they look bossy for your mom, though. You take care of your mom.
So I have to take care of mother. One mother, me have in a Rooster. Yo, I'm going to link her too.
So, you sure she pass yourself?
No. Yo, me link her. What is it? Yo, look come on, Zane.
Apache, I know so your mother lives Star, no so, man.
Oh, me forgot. Baby! Honey bunch!
Yeah.
Sugar plum!
Yeah.
Orphan come!
Wait, me baby buy me present.
What you mean? Anything for you?
Wait.
There, man.
You know, I'm not going to spend my mother don't have to go. Don't make me ready to go nowhere.
No, but I get it.
So I'm not tell her later, man. Later, I'm not fix up. I want to, man.
Yeah.
Go on, so.
Go on and come.
Yeah, movie.
Yeah.
Single.
So me, alright.
How much they are, want to set me up on the scene.
And me say anytime. I'm gonna take good care of you.
Be over top.
See your brightness. I'm gonna put 5 more on it. So that's gonna make 15 here.
Whatever, so we'll see.
Sweet lad. The way you did it, girl. Really? Yeah, you made my hair roll low with my hair. Wow. Yeah. I gotta see you again. I gotta take good care of you. What's up, girl? I'll see you again, alright?
Okay, later.
Take care. Blasted idiot. I'm gonna chill right now.
I want to your Apache.
Yo, come on, the woman that tell me to eat that tumble.
Where you say Star? So, one thing, girl, where you give partner money?
Yo, you tell us our mother make a little for humble. You almost.
You always have a man problem, man. So, I'm to your mother.
No, she don't country one. I mean, she don't have yard, man.
Oh.
She plan to go country.
Okay. So she good door.
Yes, man. She alright.
Well, don't worry yourself, man. You learn. You soon come on, man. Because them girl, boy, I don't know how you are going to manage with them, brother. Tell you. The one where you talk, you don't got a picture can show me.
What do you mean, man? That's it. Yeah,
Me meet her at one convention where the man a good Christian girl, boy. You learn.
Hello, baby.
You know, some of the family we go a town for one bus.
Boss. So now I get you something.
You know, so I say I come down for me today, so you have to go bring you.
Yo, your mother alright?
Yes, alright, so sure, come on.
Yo, me there wait for you, man.
Alright,
When you're ready for me.
I'm loving and kind girl, me know
Alright,
about
then
mine.
later.
I'm loving and kind girl, will you be mine? Come light up my life girl, be my sunshine. Loving and kind girl, call me the time. Loving and kind girl, me know about mine.
Yo, me not hear no man. You don't date, you don't hear me. You want back everything when me get now. Yo, me that knock all the fence. You want back me shirt, me sheet, and the panty there when me get. Me want back everything. Come on. That's
Knock up man gates, how will you?
Yo, how you ask how you?
How you mean by how you? How's girl that?
Play music heavily. Listen to the birds on the dogs. They combine a loving melody. I'm loving and kind, girl. Call me anytime. I'm loving and kind, girl. Me doing bad mine. I'm loving and kind, girl. Will you be mine? Come light on my life, girl. Be my sunshine. I'm loving and kind, girl. Call me anytime. I'm loving and kind, girl. Me doing bad mine. I'm loving and kind, girl. Will you be mine? Come light on my life, girl. Be my sunshine. If you want God, cupcake, you not worry. We have some D&G. Sell buckle and take the money. And if you want food, alright, girl, come now. A good thing we prepare some bulla and Lasco. Talented artists in case you never hear. Square two blows and paint on the night here. If you kiss me, in case any food on my teeth, it's to feed you my love. And I'm not more for heat. I'm loving and kind, girl. Call me anytime.